हॅलो स्टुडंट, तुम्ही सर्वांनी कालचा व्हिडिओ तुम्ही पाहिला असेल. आपण कालपासून 11वीचं फर्स्ट टॉपिक स्टार्ट केलेलं आहे, द लिव्हिंग वर्ड. त्याच्यामध्ये आपण या लिव्हिंग या शब्दाचे डेफिनेशन्स पाहिले आणि आपण त्याचे काही कॅरेक्टर्स पाहिले. मी काल सांगितल्या पद्धतीने देर आर द मेनी कॅरेक्टर्स ऑफ द लिव्हिंग वर्ड्स. द फर्स्ट कॅरेक्टर्स ऑफ द लिव्हिंग बीइंग्स, that character is the growth. Second character is the reproduction. Third character is the metabolism. Fourth character is a cellular organization. One more character, that's of the homeostasis, adaptation, and the last one is the death. Look at this, that's are the characters. पण आपण काल चर्चा अशी करत होतो की याच्यापैकी कुठले कॅरेक्टर डेफिनेट आहे, मीन्स द विच कॅरेक्टर्स इज द डेफिनेट कॅरेक्टर्स ऑफ द लिव्हिंग बीइंग्स. The growth, reproduction, metabolism, cellular organization, homeostasis, adaptations and the death. याच्यापैकी आपण काल ग्रोथ ह्या शब्दावर डिस्कस केला आणि याच्यानुसार एक गोष्ट लक्षात आली, ऍक्च्युअली ग्रोथ इज नॉट अ डेफिनेट कॅरेक्टर्स ऑफ द लिव्हिंग बीइंग्स. आज आपण सेकंड कॅरेक्टर्स विषयी चर्चा करूया. दिस इज द रिप्रोडक्शन. कन्सिडर दॅट this is the second character, is the reproduction. What is the reproduction? मराठीमध्ये आपण रिप्रोडक्शन त्याला म्हणतो प्रजनन किंवा पुनरुत्पादन. and it is the basic characters of the living beings, or it is the very important characters of the living beings. The reproduction, that means the production of a new individual from pre-existing ones. That kinds of the process is called the reproduction. The production of the new individual from the pre-existing ones. Look at this. This is the most important word in the definition. That is the pre-existing ones. काय अर्थ होईल याचा? pre-existing ones या शब्दाचा अर्थ होतो जे सजीव अगोदर अस्तित्वात आहेत त्यांच्यापासून रिप्रोडक्शन. म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल आपले पॅरेंट अगोदर अस्तित्वात आहे, त्यांच्यापासून आपण आहोत. बरोबर आहे. समजा जर एक नवीन आंब्याचं झाड जर एखाद्या कुईपासून येत असेल, त्याच्या सीड्स पासून येत असेल, तर ते सीड्स अगोदर त्याच्या पॅरेंटचं सीड्स आहे. म्हणजे जे सजीव अगोदर अस्तित्वात आहे त्यांच्यापासून नवीन इंडिव्हिज्युअल तयार होणे, या प्रोसेसला म्हणता येईल रिप्रोडक्शन. दॅट इज द प्रोसेस, द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ द न्यू इंडिव्हिज्युअल फ्रॉम द प्री एक्झिस्टिंग वन्स. Okay, and then there is the two different kinds of the reproductions. The consider that types of reproduction. This is the types of the reproduction. There is the two different types. The first types of the reproduction, that is the asexual reproduction, and the second types of the reproduction, that is the sexual reproduction. These are the two main types. आता लक्षात घ्या, in case of the asexual reproduction, actually asexual reproduction is a very common in plant. and is also into the lower organism. Okay? And the sexual reproduction, that are the generally found into the higher plant and animals. That are the two types of the reproduction. One is the asexual reproduction and the second is the sexual kinds of the reproduction. आपण काय करूया, आपण एक एक टाइप्स व्यवस्थित पद्धतीने डिस्कस करू. Now consider this is the asexual reproduction. First types of the reproduction, that is the asexual reproduction. This is the asexual reproduction. That's are the that means the without. Sexual, that means the sex. The reproduction is that takes place without the sex. किंवा याच्यात आपल्याला डेफिनेशन काय करता येईल पहा असेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन मध्ये, द प्रोसेस इन विच प्रोडक्शन ऑफ न्यू इंडिविजुअल from single parent without formation and fusion of gametes. Formation and the fusion of the gametes. By the definition correct, the process in which the production of the new individual from the single parent without the formation and the fusion of the gametes. And here, what is meant by the gametes? The gametes, that means sex cell. आता बघा रिप्रोडक्शन कसं होईल, रिप्रोडक्शन होईल सिंगल पॅरेंट पासून. याच्यामध्ये या रिप्रोडक्शन मध्ये दोन्ही पॅरेंट्स सिंगल पॅरेंट्स, तो पॅरेंट गॅमेट तयारही करू शकणार नाही आणि ते गॅमेट एकमेकांसोबत फ्यूजही होऊ शकणार नाहीये. विदाउट गॅमेट्स, but the new individual is produced, and that's why that kinds of the reproduction is called the asexual types of the reproduction. Okay, actually in the lower organisms the asexual reproduction is the very common. For example, consider that are the amoeba. In the amoeba, asexual reproduction is the presence. Amoeba reproduce asexually by the process of the fission. Fission, that means the division. Actually, amoeba is the unicellular, and the single cell of the amoeba is the divide. There is the productions of the two cells. That is called the division. That's called the fissions. In case of the some fungi, asexual reproduction is that takes place by the spore formation. They produce the small spores, and when these spores germinate, they produce the mycelium of the fungi. In case of the some algae and planaria, the asexual reproduction is that takes place by the fragmentation and regeneration. Fragmentation and the regeneration. Consider that this is the filament of the fungus. Sorry, filament of the algae. That algal filament is the breakdown into the small pieces. That's are called the fragments. And each fragment is developed into the new thread or the new algal filament. That kinds of the process is called the fragmentation and the regeneration process. This is the asexual reproduction is that takes place into the lower organisms, some lower plants and some lower the animals. But the next kinds of the reproduction consider that is the sexual reproductions. In the sexual reproduction, there is the requirement of the two parents. And here, the new individual is the produced by the formation and the fusion of the gametes. The consider that, आपण त्याची definitions करूया. बघा, the process in which production of a new individual from two parents by formation and fusion of gametes. Formation and the fusion of the gametes. Here in the sexual reproduction, the gametes are the form, the gamete that is the sex cell. That sex cells are the produced into the sex organs. And then these sex cells are fused with each other. There is the productions of the zygote. Consider that this is the male gamete. Next kinds of the gamete is the female gamete. The consider that this is the male gamete, this is the female gamete. When these kinds of the gamete fuse with each other, there is the productions of the one cell. That cell is called the zygote. This is the sexual kinds of the reproductions. The reproduction is the basic and the important characters of the living organisms. आता आपला प्रश्न असा आहे, रिप्रोडक्शन हे कुठल्याही सजीवांचं डेफिनेट कॅरेक्टर आहे का? हे डेफिनेट कॅरेक्टर आहे का? मी तुम्हाला काही एक्झाम्पल सांगतो. कन्सिडर दॅट. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, दॅट इज द म्यूल्स. Second is the worker, honeybee, and the sterile couples, sterile human couple. They are not reproduce. Mules not reproduce. Mules are the produced by the hybridization process of the horse and the donkey. Sterile worker honeybees. There is the three different kinds of the honeybees. One is the queen, second is the drone. Actually, drone is the male, and the sterile worker honeybees, they are involved only collections of the honey. They cannot reproduce. And the sterile human couple, they are the not reproduce. Means reproduction is also not a definite features of the living beings. Okay, thank you.